Do you have a long YouTube video where viewers are struggling to find a specific content in your video? Then you need YouTube chapters. YouTube chapters breaks your video into a sections by using the timestamp so that viewers can directly jump into a specific content. They can watch, rewatch, and share respective chapters of your YouTube video. And also, it enhances your video searchability on Google as well as other search engine platforms. There are multiple websites and plugins are available to auto generate YouTube chapters. Do you know YouTube has inbuilt AI feature to generate these YouTube chapters for your video within seconds? Let's get into it. Open your YouTube studio and select the video for which you want to create YouTube chapters. I have selected this video which has a 5 minutes video length. Copy the video link. Open the video in the new tab. And if you click on three dots after the promote button, sometimes you can see the ask option somewhere here itself. Click on ask, which is an AI feature by default coming with YouTube. You can ask some of the questions which was part of this video. So here I want to generate YouTube chapters of this video. So I am prompting that create YouTube chapters for this video in standard YouTube format, which starts with timestamp followed by chapter name. Within seconds, YouTube generated YouTube chapters for me. So copy this, come back to your YouTube studio, go to the description section of your video, add the generated YouTube chapters here and hit save. Now go back to your video, just reload the video. Now you can see the chapters being added on the progress bar, and you can directly jump into the respective sections of the video, and even you can share the respective chapters with friends. Your video now has a clickable chapters. If this saved your time, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.